Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we are going to see analyzing and classifying COVID-19 historical data in India. This project inspired from an IEEE paper, and I show the paper here. This is the IEEE paper and a very recent IEEE paper, year 2023. This project domain deep learning, dataset type tabular numerical data. So tabular data processing concept. Machine learning type supervised machine learning. We're going to work with the labeled dataset and approach classification, and also we can perform analysis also we can perform in this project. Used technologies Python 3, Anaconda, TensorFlow, OpenCV, convolutional neural network algorithm. So CNN based algorithms we can use here. So usually tabular numerical data, two-dimensional array data. So we can go with the one-dimensional layers. We can go with the artificial neural networks, one-dimensional CNN and LSTM, GRU, simple recurrent neural network. There are so many algorithms to use. Single algorithm also we can use, as well as we can use two or more algorithms for the comparison purpose. And then completely we use Jupyter Notebook IDE, and we use machine learning techniques for data preprocessing. So introduction to the project. So in 2019 the coronavirus was found in Wuhan, China. We know very well so many people's lost their lives, and then jobs. More countries they lose their economical status. The purpose of this project mainly in future also, if we face this kind of major disaster, through machine learning and deep learning, how we can give the solution for this problem and how we can avoid the spreadings, that kind of things. Problem statement. So due to COVID-19, many people have lost their lives and countries' economics have suffered. A lot of people have also lost their jobs. It is crucial to find a way to categorize collected samples effectively to prevent the virus from the spreading further. We are attempting to use machine learning to come up with a solution for this problem. So mainly nowadays we have so many technologies like data science, machine learning. We can analyze the data completely. We can get some insights from the new tabular data set. So also we can do the same project in the CT images. There we can perform the normal CT scan and COVID patient CT scan. We can categorize with machine learning and deep learning. So the proposed system, we propose a data-driven approach utilizing machine learning and statistical analysis to model the spread of COVID-19 in 36 provinces of India. By analyzing the dataset, our system aims to identify factors contributing to the unseen transmission, predict future trends, and develop target mitigation strategies to effectively manage the pandemic's impact in different regions. So now we have the historical data. If we used that historical data, if we understood how to give the solution for this kind of major disaster in future, definitely we will never face this much of disaster when another one virus spreading happening. And this is the basic system architecture. Usually in data science and machine learning, historical data very important. So now we have the historical data, and then we can perform the pre-processing, feature engineering, and then we can also do the 80x20 data splitting. So this is the general system architecture for your understanding. When you do project, totally different the architectures will be different. And then we splitting the data for 80-20 ratio, training set, test set, training set for model training, and test set for model validation. and then this is the dataset sample. So we have the dataset and we have the data downloaded source also. So with this we can perform the analysis. And then algorithm details. So completely tabular data, two-dimensional array. So we can go with different algorithms. Suppose CNN very famous algorithm, well-known algorithm, and this is the parent algorithm of other algorithms too. So here we can use CNN also. So when we go with the CNN, convolutional one-dimensional layer, dense layer, max pooling one-dimensional layer, dropout layer, flatten layer, these all are the layers. And some activation functions, ReLU, softmax, sigmoid, this kind of activation functions also we needed to use. So this is, guys, so what information here I have showed just to only for your general understanding. If you like this video, just like it, share your comment, share your thoughts in the comment section, and also subscribe our channel to see more machine learning related videos. So here I have mentioned our office mail ID and also two valid numbers. So not only we are doing our the project that we have, if you have your reference paper, if you have your idea, so you can call us, you can get some clarification about your project. So definitely dataset can be any type. We are ready to work with that. We also respect your personal ideas too. Thank you, guys.